So it is now 11, and I think Jacob is still asleep, and Mom will be here at 11:15. So I'm gonna go try to wake him up. Get up! Get up! Are you awake? Were you awake already?
Huh?
Were you awake already?
Earlier.
I was gonna
Mom
megaphone
coming?
you. She's coming in 15 minutes.
Well, I needed to shower.
I mean, you can take a quick one.
Okay.
You can go now.
Yeah, I'll go now.
You gotta get up.
Okay, well, I'm half naked, so...
Well, it's just your shirt.
Huh?
You have pants on?
No.
No? Okay. Well.
Earrings.
Can't do this with one hand. Here, you film it.
Oh Lord, you're trusting me to film?
Make sure your finger's not in the way.
Oh, is my finger in the way?
Can you see your finger in the video? It's in the way of your fingers there.
Do you have a Bible in this place? Let's look it up.
Well, probably. I mean,
Oh, is
that's
that one
right
right
here. Oh my gosh.
1 John 1:9. Let's see if I was right.
Pastor's daughter life be like, oh gosh, there's a Snoopy card inside.
Get some clothes on.
Look, there he is.
Ah! Oh, is that how you do that? Well, my hand's full of stuff. You can.
Are you doing drugs?
My throat's a little scratchy, so I'm taking it on guard beadlet.
Mine is too. Can I have one?
Yeah, they work to get rid of that sore throat feel. Did you see it?
Do I pop it in my mouth? Or do I just swallow
you pop
it?
it.
On
Pop
guard?
it.
But it tastes nasty.
It's cinnamon. It's a hot cinnamon.
It's pretty spicy.
Yeah, but it's your antibiotic. It's like you can't pop it.
It's like hard.
In your teeth.
Yeah.
Smash
It's
it.
slipping around.
Put it in your teeth.
I got it.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah, you feel it?
It burns. It like soothes and burns at the same time. It gets rid of your sore throat though. Whoa, baby! Oh my gosh! Right before I was ready to leave to come get you guys, as I was a little bit late, I was switching over the clothes in the laundry room from the washer to the dryer. All of a sudden, a bird flew over my head. We have a freaking bird in the laundry room. I could not even push the start button on the dryer. I could not turn the light off. I had to just fly out of there, shut the door. The bird is still in there. So I'm not going to be able to do laundry until it's gone.
Oh my
So we're just going to have to buy all new clothes today at the mall.
How's it gonna get gone?
I don't know.
It's gonna get going.
I don't know,
Real
but
quick.
it has to get going because like
How's
it's
it
the
gonna
laundry
get
room.
gone?
The bird will poop all over the place if we don't get it out of there. So I don't know what's going to happen.
Well,
but I'm
we
very
really
afraid.
can't kill him.
No, we just
We don't
needed
do
to
that.
go wherever
We
it
don't-
came in. I don't know
we
how
don't
it even
kill
got in there.
animals.
But it freaked me out. You know how I am deathly afraid of animals.
Birds?
I'm deathly afraid of
I
animals.
am deathly afraid.
Every
What
animal.
how big was the
or
bird,
just a
Mom?
One
bird?
time there was a snake at the bottom of the steps, and I was coming out, and then your father
Well,
was
it's a
coming
snake.
out
Those are a
after.
little more scary.
And I saw the snake. I leaped over the snake, jumped up the stairs, ran into the car, and your dad was coming out after. I could not even warn him the snake was there. I couldn't even scream. I couldn't talk. I was deathly afraid that there was a little baby black snake.
And then he got
Also,
bit and
one
died.
time-
No, he was
R.I.P.
completely fine. I knew
One
he'd be
time,
fine, but
we
I
had- one time
freaked
I killed a snake.
Oh my gosh, he's my hero. Yeah.
Crushed.
Oh, I remember with the
He
rock.
was like 9.
Crushed his head
And I
with a
was like,
rock.
needed to get in the car and go somewhere and take him somewhere. And I'm like, Jacob, I can't go out there. There's a snake. He said, oh, I'll take care of it, Mama. He gets a big giant rock
Crushed
and
it.
bashes it. I don't know how it
don't
even
kill
got in there.
animals.
You're my hero, Jacob. And he was like 9 years old. And then we got in the car and we left. It was like,
Wow.
crazy. I didn't realize he was blowing this. I'm not.
Okay, I don't know how sweet or not sweet you like it, Jacob. So I'll mix it up.
I trust you.
You can taste it, and if you don't like it, we can add more sweetener and stuff. 'Cause I only put a little bit in.
All right.
Starters. Do 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 do.
Whoa.
So what are we seeing today?
Some movie about two girls. Think they steal stuff?
Yeah, Jacob, it's called The Hustle.
Oh.
You're bad at. Why am I walking on these rocks?
Has,
There's a path right there. Okay.
has Rebel Wilson in it.
Rebel Wilson. Ice. How's your tongue?
It hurts.
Yeah.
I have like a terrible cut on my tongue.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
What do you think the weather is right now?
The temperature?
Yeah, what's the temp?
10 degrees Celsius.
What? I don't think.
I bet.
I don't know how to work Celsius.
Me either. 77
Wow.
degrees Fahrenheit.
77 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check. Somebody check the weather. What's the phone?
All right,
What does your phone
I'll
say?
check the weather. Hold on.
Check it.
Hold on. Oh. 79. I was close.
Whoa, you
I was
were
close.
close. 79. What that
We
is?
went shopping and we bought socks. That's it. And don't look at this bag because that's bad for the environment and I'm switching over.
We brought reusable bags today to use, and you ended
Well,
up with
Luther
plastic.
actually bought this, so I didn't actually technically buy this and get the
Well,
bag.
why didn't he bring a bag? Why didn't he?
Because we didn't think
Why
about
is
it.
it plastic?
I'm sorry.
Very nice.
My plantar fasciitis socks.
We got those today.
Yeah?
Time to get some ice cream.
Okay.
Oh my God, please!
I'm gonna go check and see if the bird's still in my water.
Okay, let's just see. Oh no. Okay.
Problem is
Here you
Light.
go in there.
in the middle of the room.
We'll just go turn it on.
I'm afraid. I'm really afraid. Let me go get my flashlight.
I'm afraid.
I need to get my flashlight. Okay, let's see. Where's my flashlight? Here it is. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so afraid. I am like scared to death.
I don't think it's in there, Mom.
Ready, ready. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
I think the bird flew away.
Stay there. Be my comfort.
Be my comfort.
I need to switch your clothes over.
Okay, you can put your broom down.
Okay. I'm so afraid. I'm so scared. Go, go, go. 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 Go, go. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. All right.
Oh, look at you in your gown.
Yeah.
It's all real.
Almost done.
What are you doing tonight?
I have baccalaureate tonight.
Baccalaureate. And you're singing.
Yep.
Wow. So famous.
Pretty exciting.
Well, have fun. Good luck.
Yay.
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Ready to work out?
Ready to work out.